Welcome back to the Griddle Guys. We got Chris behind the camera. We got tall guy Nate rocking the old Camp Chef hat. We're all out of time. We wanted to get a video done for you guys, so I'm going to show you the quickest way to cook a pizza. And 10 minutes. 10 minutes or less from start to finish. I'm just going to get right into it. You'll see how simple this is going to be. New favorite, Pillsbury pizza doughs. We got.
It's actually labeled pizza crust too.
Yep.
I thought you just bought like the bread.
Fresh mozzarella, shaved mozzarella.
Shredded even.
Shredded. Nate, you want to go into that cabinet and grab the grill blazer? Garlic salt, Italian seasoning. And let's get some fresh basil. Getting some fresh basil here. Smells so good.
Did you happen to get his cooking footwear on camera, Chris?
Fresh basil. There. This is so quick, I don't even have to change. I don't even have to change.
I'm pretty sure you cook Thanksgiving dinner on those stupid things too.
Maybe. Maybe. Grill blazer's out. This, these are pre-sliced, but don't pay any attention to that either. It's something else.
It's like a hunk of beef to me.
Yeah, it's something. I'm waiting for you guys to leave for that one. So these are pre-sliced.
Makes sense. Makes sense, yeah.
And it's kind of thick. So what I do is slice them in half.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a overachiever like of you.
Wow.
Then,
There's something you can make more difficult. Just
right?
a guide.
Right?
It's worth it. It's worth it.
So yeah, I can't wait till you do the next slice and lose like half your finger.
All right, so Jeff, I don't think we told people what we're making. What kind of pizza? You want to throw that in there?
like a quick pizza.
Margherita.
Margherita pizza.
Tomato, basil.
Nate, can you get this sauce? Now that I thought about that on the top shelf pantry.
Sweet basil. It's
Yeah.
like plenty of basil in this.
It smells delicious.
So we're gonna
does.
send Chris out to fire up the griddle, and this is pretty much the prep. This is it, I'm done. I'm gonna maybe do one more slice here. Once put that on the griddle, warm up the sauce. We're almost done. We're almost done.
Sorry.
We'll see you out at the griddle. Grill's on, low and slow, because I'm not even gonna roll this out, because this is literally 10 minutes, start to finish. So now all I have to do is figure out how to get this open. That's half the time. But anyways, I get the sauce in the tin, warming up, because you definitely don't want to put cold sauce on there. Get the temperature on low. The lights are still working, Chris. None of us expected that.
I didn't.
No. So, we got this. We're just gonna stretch it out by hand a little bit. That's offensive.
It's Italian, come on.
I know.
Make some noise.
That's cultural misappropriation for the French guy. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. So anyways, you just want to give this a little stretch. That way it cooks all the way through before it burns. The key to a really flavorful crust, garlic salt, and a little Italian seasoning. So we're gonna do a good bed of oil. Move that around. You getting any of this? We got the garlic salt. We got Italian seasoning. And we got, once you put it on here, you can actually spread it too. And it starts to cook a little bit, but that way you can also press in the garlic salt. So this is gonna be slow. Low and slow, because we don't want a doughy pizza. We want this thick but cooked. So honestly, what are we up to for time? If I just started,
5 minutes.
5 minutes, and you could be quicker. And this is all stuff you can just keep in the fridge. You can have, most of the stuff you already have. Anyways, let's give that some time. We'll give this a little stir. It's beautiful goodness.
I think I'm gonna do it.
And I lost the spoon.
I was just gonna say.
I don't think I got it.
Spoon down. You can't win them all. You don't want to lose any of that sauce. There we go. All right. So it's been about 5 minutes or so, low and slow. Now we're gonna do this. This is kind of tricky.
You good?
Perfect. So we're gonna lift that up. A little more oil.
I don't want to drop that.
A little more garlic salt. We're gonna skip the Italian seasoning for now.
That looks perfect, Jeff.
And here's a little bit of a trick when cooking pizza on the griddle. Warming up the sauce is always a bonus, but we're gonna put some cheese under the sauce. And yeah, it's Margherita pizza, so you're not supposed to have as much cheese, but we all like cheese, all right? So I'm not gonna go too heavy on that, but will also help melt the cheese.
It's like non-deep dish Chicago, Jeff.
Yeah.
What did I just hear? Was it? Yeah.
How'd it work?
How did you get here?
How'd it work?
Put that around a little bit.
You have to name that chair after you, Nate. At Jeff's house, you're always in it.
Ow.
There we go.
Got some kind of a method you're going right here, Jeff?
Yeah, I'm just sauce. I like sauce, you know?
Wearing it around?
Yeah. It's gonna be just enough sauce, too.
This Billy used to hit that griddle from me. Look at all that room right now.
Nice.
Wow. Good, brother. Looking good.
Spreading that around. That's all set. Take that off.
You're ruining a lot less shirts these days, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah. I got my mozzarella. He's still on low. Now, before I put the basil on, I'm gonna hit it with the grill blazer.
Yeah, grill blazer time.
Looks like enough.
So the grill blazer, you should tell about it in the link in the description.
Link in the description. This thing is
We'll
awesome.
have a link that if you use it, you save 10%.
It's a little noisy. Oh yeah, look at that cheese. I'd say that's good, right?
Yeah, cooked that fast.
And let us check underneath just to see what that looks like. See how much time we got. That's getting right there too. Basil action here.
You got something to say?
Done. That's it. Pull this off, nice and easy.
And yes, that was less than 10 minutes total, I'd say.
It was, yeah.
I've made this before and I didn't stretch it out as much to fit in there. But
That still fits.
slice that up. 10-minute pizza.
Looks good. The important thing here is Jeff's cooking filet mignon over there, and he's serving us 10-minute pizza.
10 minutes.
But
With no meat on it.
yeah, but no, it's very tasty. I mean, for the amount of effort that you put into this, it's
Nice crust.
yeah, it's nice and crusty on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that.
And those stay in the fridge for like
But
2 months.
really,
Pizza doughs, yeah. Yeah.
Convenient, easy, quick.
and tasty, really tasty. Yeah,
Garden grown basil helps out quite a bit.
Yeah.
It's kind of like
Yeah.
fresh basil always helps.
absolutely.
But yeah, highly recommend. Definitely a thumbs up.
That was my plate, guys. I chewed it down real quickly. Very, very good.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification, comment. We love hearing from you guys. We really do. I think that's gonna wrap up our video.
See you in the next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.